Provincial capital, the colorful. Bohol's provincial capital photo by Provincial Government of Bohol. The provincial capital houses the seat of the provincial government of Bohol. The old Capitol building, which was damaged by an earthquake that struck Bohol in 2013, has been replaced with the new Bohol Capitol building, which was inaugurated in February 2019. The new Bohol Capitol building is also considered to be the biggest government building in the entire Central Visayas. The building's architecture features the classic look of the provincial capital but sports a more contemporary design. It is powered by solar panels and has its own sewage treatment facility, a public address system, and CCTV cameras. The new four-story structure houses the governor's office on the second floor, while the third floor is for the vice governor's office, the board member's office, session hall, and provincial agriculture office. The building also comprises 48 office spaces, a session hall for its Sangguniang Panlalawigan Provincial Board ceremonial hall, viewing hall, fine dining room, conference room, and viewing deck at the rooftop. Its parking area is large enough for dozens of vehicles and motorcycles. Best time to visit. The capital is open to the public all year round. It is open from Mondays to Fridays from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. The province of Bohol is a first-class province divided into 3 congressional districts, comprising 1 component city and 47 municipalities. 8. It has 1,109 barangays. 9. The province is a popular tourist destination with its beaches and resorts. 10. The Chocolate Hills, numerous mounds of brown-colored limestone formations, are the most popular attraction. The formations can be seen by land climbing the highest point or by air via ultralight air tours. Panglao Island, located just southwest of Tagbilaran, is famous for its diving locations and is routinely listed as one of the top 10 diving locations in the world. Numerous tourist resorts and dive centers dot the southern beaches. The Philippine tarsier, among the world's smallest primates, is indigenous to the island. It was the home province of Carlos P. Garcia, the 8th President of the Republic of the Philippines 1957-1961, who was born in Talaban, Bohol. 11. On October 15, 2013, Bohol was devastated by a 7.2 magnitude earthquake whose epicenter was 6 kilometers (3.7 miles) south of Sagbayan. The earthquake, which also hit southern Cebu, claimed 222 lives altogether and injured 374 people. It also destroyed or damaged a number of Bohol's heritage churches. 12-13. In 2023, Bohol Island was designated as a UNESCO Global Geopark, the first in the Philippines. 14-15. Bohol is also the province with the most towns in the Philippines, totaling 47 towns, and 1 component city, Tagbilaran City.
Bisag asa kadapi niining kalibutan, dili nimo kini malaksi sa imong handurawan.
Ang pagbalik sa Bohol, kanunay mong ikahinaman, aron ikahimaman ang imong kaigsunan. Balik sa Bohol, balik, 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 balik sa Bohol, balik.
Sa pagkatulong, kanunay mong ginawa.
Balik sa Bohol, balik, 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 balik sa Bohol, balik. Sa imong kasing-kasing ang Bohol, kanunay gipiting.
Ingawon ka sa kanunay, sa matambistang kalamay, sa pinagkises nga lamian, sa labunga kinampay.
Sa puting kabaybayunan, dagat nindot nga kaliguan, ahid lawon ka sa lukon, sa alimang uglambay.
Balik sa Bohol, balik,
Balik, balik,
balik sa Bohol, balik.
sa pagkatulong, kanunay mong ginawa.
Balik sa Bohol, balik. sa buhol, balik, balik sa imong kasing-kasing ang buhol, kanunay gipitik. Sa imong kasing-kasing ang buhol, kanunay gipitik. Sa imong kasing-kasing ang buhol, kanunay gipitik. Balik sa
bisag asa kadapi ni ining kalibutan, dili nimo kini malaksi sa imong handurawan.
ang pagbalik sa buhol, kanunay mong ikahinaman, aron ikahimaman ang imong kaigsunan. Balik sa buhol, balik, 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 balik sa buhol, balik.
Sa pagkatulong ng buhol, kanunay mong ginawa.
Balik sa buhol, balik, 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 balik sa buhol, balik. Sa imong kasing-kasing ang buhol, kanunay gipitik.
Ngawon ka sa kanunay, sa matang istang kalamay, sa peanut kisses nga lamian, ug sa labong nga kinampay.
Sa puting kabaybayunan, dagat nindot nga kaliguan, ahid lawon ka sa lukon, sa alimang og lambay.
Balik sa buhol, balik,
Balik, balik,
balik sa buhol, balik.
sa pagkatulong ng buhol, kanunay mong ginawa.
Balik sa buhol, balik, 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 balik sa buhol, balik, balik. Sa imong kasing-kasing ang buhol, kanunay gipitik.